friends, it's Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today is Pie Day, March 14th. We are going to make a buttermilk pie. So, we'll be right back. Friends, I am back, and we are going to make a buttermilk pie for Pie Day. Alright, so I'm going to take all my sugar and I'm going to put it in there. It's like 1 to 2 cups. I got 1.5 cups of sugar in here. I don't want it really sweet, but you can put up to 2 cups in there. And then I've got 1/2 cup of butter. And I'm going to put that in there. And I'm just going to cream that together the best that I can here. You can see how that's coming together. So it's mixed really good. Okay, and then you're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to add 3 large eggs to that. Break them up a little bit. I have got a piece of eggshell in there. Got it. Alright, then the vanilla goes in here. And that's 1 teaspoon. You could answer that. My phone's ringing. Okay, we're going to mix all that together. I'm going to switch from my spatula now to my whisk. Okay. See how nice that looks? Whip it really good. Okay, and to that I'm going to add my zest of 1 lemon and a little bit of lemon juice, probably about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm going to add my 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm going to mix this up. Whoops. I made a mess. I'm going to mix this up real good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's looking really good. Alright. Now I've got about 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to put that in there. Watch this. Haha. Clean that up just like that. Alright, we're going to get this flour mixed up in here. And that is the last. You just want to mix it real good so it doesn't have any lumps in it. But you're going to have your lemon zest, so you're going to see that in there. But you shouldn't have no big clumps from your flour. Okay? This is an easy pie to make, and it is absolutely delightful. I love them. Alright, so I got that mixed up. Now my pie shell, I did my pie shell earlier, and I just baked it a little bit because you certainly don't have to pre-bake these, but I do because I don't want the bottom to get soggy. So that's why I do it. And when I pre-bake mine, I just poke a few holes in it, put it in the oven, 350 for 15 minutes. And that's all I do. So, okay, we're going to pour this right in here. And you also want a deep dish, friends. You want a deep dish 9-inch pie shell for this. Okay? That's simple. That's beautiful. That's all I put in there. Now you could add a little nutmeg if you want, but I just keep mine fairly plain. And in the oven it's going to go for about 50-55 minutes. Right in the middle. And then when that is done, you're going to bake it at 350, 50 to 55 minutes. And when it's done, it'll be just barely jiggly. I'll show you. When mine gets done, I'll show you. So we'll let it go for about 50 minutes. I'll check it and we'll be back. Our pie is done. And it's screaming hot. And it looked like it was breathing because it was coming up and going down. Coming up, going down. But anyway, see that? It doesn't shake much. Just a little wiggly in the middle. But that's it. That is our pie. And it's got to cool off completely. And then, of course, I'm going to chill it in the fridge because I like it really cold. And we're going to enjoy Pie Day. So there you have it, friends. Very easy. Very easy to make and absolutely delicious. So, happy Pie Day. Thanks for watching.